How to add Buy Me a Coffee link to your YouTube channel. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily add Buy Me a Coffee link to YouTube. First thing you have to do is head over to your Buy Me a Coffee website. And if you haven't set up your post, you're going to have to do that. So if you click on create, you just set up everything here. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this link right here. If you don't have this page ready, you can just create it and add the donation links as well. So for this video, I'm just going to be copying this link. Now, once you have the link copied, all you have to do is go to a new tab and search for youtube.com. So once you go to YouTube, you're going to have to edit your channel. So click on the profile icon at the top right. Then you can just go ahead and view your channel. Once you land on this page, you have an option to customize your channel. So it will show you all of the details. I'm going to click on Customize Channel and it will open my YouTube Creator Studio. And on this page, I'm able to add different kind of links to my social sites, including Buy Me a Coffee. So I can do that by scrolling down a bit. I can see my handle. Then if I scroll down a bit, I can have my pronouns added, then description about my channel, and then channel URL. And you can share external links with your viewer. It will be visible on your channel. So click on Add Link. Enter a link title. So I'm going to add something like Buy Me a Coffee. And once you've added your channel link title, just paste the link right here. And then don't forget to tap on Publish. Once you've published the link, you can go back to your channel, refresh it. So I'm going to reload this page. And now, as you can see, I have the Buy Me a Coffee link attached to my YouTube channel. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.